guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm so sorry. I know I've been missing, but I'm back now. I was on a break. Today we're going to be creating an intense smoky eye look, and I will be starting off by doing my brows first. I always do my brows first, and I feel like it just helps me frame my eyeshadow shape a little better. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to fill in my brows, and I really like this Sugar Cosmetics brow definer, and yeah, you can use this. This is very good for everyday wear as well. It's pretty natural, and yeah. So the very next step is going to be to conceal our eyelids, because for any eyeshadow to pop, we need to have a very clean canvas or very smooth canvas. So I always prefer using a concealer that is 1 or 2 shades lighter, and I prefer a very mattifying concealer. So this one is really perfect. You can choose any one of your choice, but I really like this one. So for an intense smoky eye, we need a kajal that blends out and dries out quickly. So the Sugar Cosmetics kajal is a really good kajal. You can even use a gel based kajal, but I really prefer this one. And I'm just going to apply very thick line, because I have a lot of lid space. So you need to do this according to the lid space available to you. But I'm going to apply a very thick line because I want the smoky eye look to look super intense. So I'm going to use a brush like so. So I got this brush long time back from Shein. So you can use any brush that's slightly dense and helps in the blending of a very, gel like or cream based product. And yeah, I'm going to blend it out like so. It doesn't have to be perfect or even. It'll just work as a good base for our black eyeshadow and help in intensifying that color a lot more. Be very careful while blending, in the inner corners. Those parts are very tricky. So yeah. Let me know the zooming in works for you guys or not. A lot of you wanted me to zoom in. If you want me to zoom in a bit more, please do let me know. I'll love to do that. I've repeated the same step on the other eye as well. So the very next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. You can use any eyeshadow palette. You basically just need a black eyeshadow. I'm taking a brush like so, brush like so, and I'm just applying the black eyeshadow all over my lids first and covering all the gaps. You can see that I've done that, and I'm going to just start blending out the corners, like the above part of the line, and start blending it out neatly. Now please be very careful towards the inner corner, because then it can make you look little scary. So just take your time and blend the eyeshadow towards the inner corner. Do not blend it outwards, as in do not blend it towards your nose. Just try to blend it in its place, just so that it softens up a bit. So I'm going to repeat the same step on the other side of my eye, and you will see how it looks. So this is how it looks. It might look a little scary right now. It might not look perfect. Do not freak out. When you do your base, everything comes together. If you can notice on my right side, the eyeshadow is coming a little bit niche, so you can clean that before you do your base. Like I've cleaned it over here. Now you can see that I've cleaned the outer part of my eye, and it's looking pretty nice and softened. So yeah, please do not freak out. That is why I do my base later. So just to add some finishing touches to the whole smoky eye look, I'm going to take a highlighter. You can choose any gold highlighter, silver, up to your choice. I always prefer gold. I'm going to apply it on my brow bone like so, and even in my inner corners. It just completes the whole look. I feel like it just adds so much drama and beauty. The finishing touches are like the most important thing. So I'm going to be taking the same Sugar Cosmetics Sugar Kajal and applying it on my lower lash line. Now again, blend one eye at a time since the product dries out. So I've just applied a thin line, and I'm just going to smudge it out. Now in intense smoky eye, the smudging of the lower lash line also looks super sexy and chic. So I love doing it. So I'm just going to blend out both the under eyes. Like I mentioned, do one eye at a time. Now just to set the cream product, I'm going to repeat the same thing. I'm going to take the black eyeshadow and set the lower lash line. Just take a very pencil precise brush. The brush that I'm using is by PAC Cosmetics. I got it from their eye brush set, so there's no particular number. It's the entire set that I've used. So this is how it looks, you guys. This is how an intense smoky eye look can be created. I hope that this was easy for you. In case you guys did not understand any step or you feel like you've missed out on something, please do let me know, and I would be more than happy to kind of clarify your doubts. And any sort of feedback is also welcomed. And generally, whenever you're going for an intense smoky eye, do not forget to use a nude lipstick. It balances out the entire face. So yeah, this is it. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and I will see you guys next time.